Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and on this video, I'm going to discuss difference of two squares. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the bell button so that you will be notified whenever I'm going to upload a new one. So if you're ready, let's begin. Okay, I want to start my discussion in the geometric demonstration of the difference of two squares. Okay, so I have here a square of side A. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove a square of side B in one of the four corners as shown. By doing that, what will happen is that the side here and this one will have a length of A minus B. Right? Now, take note, the area of the larger square is A squared. The area of the smaller square is B squared. So if I'm going to remove it, what will happen is that the area of this remaining figure will become A squared minus B squared. Right? Okay, next. So, allow me to connect the diagonal. Okay. Now, so by doing that, observe that this portion here and this portion here are equal. Agree? So, the yellow-green and the blue-green are equal in area. Okay, so allow me to omit this one. Okay. Alright. Okay, then let me change the color. Alright, what I'm going to do here, so since they're equal, so I'm going to rotate it as shown. Alright, then I'm going to place it here. There you go. See that? Okay, take note. Okay, take note. So the length of this one is A, the length of this one is B. Alright, so while this one is A minus B. Okay, kung naalala nyo kanina. So with that, so if this is A minus B, this one and this one are equal. So therefore, the area of the entire rectangle, the yellow-green and the blue-green, if you're going to combine them, is A minus B times A plus B. Okay, for that reason, A squared minus B squared is equal to the product of A plus B and A minus B. Clear? Okay. Example number 1. Factor 25x squared minus 36y squared. Once again, take note, the difference of two squares is equal to the product of sum and difference of two terms. Okay. So, let's apply that. Okay. Product. Okay. Product of sum and difference of two terms. Ano yung two terms na yon? So, the first term is the square root of this one. Right? So, the square root of 25x squared is 5x. Okay? 5x. While the second term here is the square root of 36y squared, and that is 6y. Clear? As simple as that. Okay? Next, example number 2. Factor 9/4 a to the fourth minus 144b squared. Okay, perfect square ang 9/4, perfect square ang 144. Actually, we can do this yung same way like what we did in number 1. However, take note, you can factor 9 first, right? Factorable yung 9 since 144 is divisible by 9. Anong ibig ko sabihin? So, by doing that, what will be left here is that this one will become a to the fourth over 4 minus 144 over 9 is 16. B squared. See that? Still, difference of two squares pa rin, right? That is. Okay, so this one will become 9. And then, so like what we did in problem number 1, okay, set up natin yung product. Alright, yung product. Okay, then plus, minus. Square root of a to the fourth over 4 is a squared over 2. Right? So I'll just copy it here. See that? Next, square root of 16b squared, that is 4b. See that? Okay. So, that's it. Okay na yan. Okay. Clear? Next, let's have problem number 3. Okay, if x to the fourth minus 16 equals c times x squared plus a times x plus b times x minus 2, what is a plus b plus c? Okay. So, this will give us an idea if that we have to expand this one, right? We have to expand this one. So, by doing that, x to the fourth minus 16, so again, difference of two squares, that's actually equal to x squared plus 4 times x squared minus 4. Right? Okay, but take note, you can still further factor x squared minus 4. That is, so I'll just copy this, x squared plus 4. Okay? Then, difference of 2 squares yan, x squared minus 4. So, that's equal to x plus 2 times x minus 2. There you go. See that? So, clearly, yung value ng c ko, okay, my c here is actually equal to 1. Right? My a, okay, my a is 4. Alright, a is 4. And, lastly, the value of b here is yung x plus b, that's x plus 2. So, therefore, b is equal to 2. See that? Therefore, the answer in this problem, a plus b plus c is equal to 7. See that? Okay, next, problem number 4. Factor x squared minus 2. Okay, perfect square ang x squared, but how about 2? Okay, actually, you can still factor this one. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So again, the goal is to express this one as the product of sum and difference of two terms. Again, wala tayong problem sa first term. Square root of x squared is x, right? How about this one? So like what we did in the previous problem, okay, how did we get 16b squared? 4b. We get the square root of 16b squared, right? So same thing. So to get this one, we have to get the square root of 2. And that is square root of 2. Right? That's it. So that's how you factor x squared minus 2. Clear? Okay. Next. Number 5. Example number 5. Factor quantity a plus b plus c to be squared minus quantity a minus b minus c to be squared. Okay. So, how are you going to do this? Same procedure. Alright. So, this one, okay, is the product, okay, product of sum and difference of two terms. The first term, square root nito, all you have to do is to remove, if you're going to get the square root of this one, so matatanggal lang yung square, right? So, this one is just a plus b plus c, right? I'll just copy it here. Can you follow? I hope so. Next, yung isa plus, okay, let me change my font color. Okay, yung isa plus, yung isa minus. Alright? So, then, just remove the square again, so then copy. So, that will be a minus b minus c. Now, next, so since this is preceded by negative sign, yung a minus b minus c ko, magiging negative a, magiging a, tama? Magiging negative a plus b plus c. Nakuha ba yun? Okay, once again, alright, once again, okay, since preceded by negative sign, mababago yung sign nito. So, that will be, okay, negative a, positive b, positive c, or plus c. Clear? Then that's it. Combine like terms. Okay, so, as you can see here, makakancel ang b and c. Alright, makakancel ang b and c. Alright, so what will be left here is 2a. Tama? Times, okay, in this case, ang makakancel naman yung a. Okay, because of the opposite sign. So, that will be 2b plus 2c. There you go. Next, we can still further simplify this one. Mapa-factor out ko yung 2 dito, right? So, doing that, so magkakaroon ka ng 2 times 2. So, this one will become 4a times b plus c. Clear? Okay, so therefore, our answer here is this one. So, if you're going to factor this one, so, this will be our answer. Okay? Okay, we are now on the last problem on this video. Problem number 6. Without using calculator, give the product of 43 by 37 and 49 by 50 by 51. Okay, let's start with letter A. So, we're going to avoid the usual procedure in multiplying numbers. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to express 43 as 40 plus 3. Okay, while 37, express it as 40 minus 3. See that? So, as you can see here, it's the product of sum and difference of two terms. And we all know the product of that one is the difference of two squares. And that is 40 squared minus 3 squared. See that? Okay, that's it. Okay, 40 squared, so that is 1,600. Okay, 3 squared is 9. So clearly, 1,600 minus 9 is 1,591. See that? Okay, next. As simple as that. Letter B. Alright. So, 49 times 50 times 51. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, yung 49, I'm going to express it as 50 minus 1. Okay. As is ako kay 50, while 51 can be written as 50 plus 1. See that? Okay, so what will happen here is that, okay, 50 and then 50 minus 1 times 50 plus 1, like what we did in letter A, we can rewrite it as 50 squared minus 1, or difference of two squares. See that? Next, I'm going to distribute 50. So I'm going to have 50 cubed minus 50. So madali lang, right? And we all know 50 cubed, so that will be 5 cubed, that will be 125. Then, tapos ito, tatlong zeros. Right? Minus 50. See that? And we all know 125,000 minus 50 is simply 124,950. There you go. Clear? Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something on this episode. So, please don't forget, once again, to subscribe on my channel and feel free to share. Keep safe.